Hello, friends. Welcome to my kitchen. First, pour some olive oil into a baking dish. Now, place 8 chicken thighs in the dish. Friends, I always enjoy knowing where you're from. Please share your city and country. And if you're in the US, let me know your state. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of basil, finely chop 4 garlic cloves. Today, we're making a dish that fills the kitchen with comfort, delicious, satisfying, easy to prepare, and brings the warmth and tradition of home-cooked meals. If you have any questions about the recipe, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as I can. Add them to the chicken. Mix all the spices thoroughly. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, a like would be much appreciated. It's the best way to support me. Cover the dish with plastic wrap. Leave it to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the potatoes. Cut 8 potatoes into large half rings. Friends, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more recipes like this. Put them on a baking tray with high sides. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil over the potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of dried garlic. Mix everything well with your hands and spread the potatoes evenly on the tray. Now, peel the plastic wrap off the chicken and place the marinated chicken on top of the potatoes. Put the tray in the oven for 30 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Now take 1 cabbage, cut it in half. Finely chop 1/2 of the cabbage. After 30 minutes, take the chicken and potatoes out of the oven. Remove the chicken from the tray. Add 1 cup of rice to the potatoes. Slice 1 bell pepper into strips. Add it to the potatoes and rice. Cut 2 carrots into half rings. Add them to the mix. Stir everything together. Then add the chopped cabbage to the tray. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of basil. 1 tablespoon of parsley. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 2 cups of water. Stir well to combine. Pour this mixture over everything on the baking tray. Place the chicken back on top. Cover the tray with a sheet of parchment paper that's soaked in water. Put the tray back in the oven for 40 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Once it's ready, take the chicken and vegetables out of the oven. Remove the parchment paper. Place the chicken on a plate. And serve with the delicious hearty vegetables next to it. Now is the time to try it. Enjoy the rich, comforting flavors. The tender chicken, golden crispy potatoes, and perfectly seasoned vegetables come together most delightfully, creating a dish that's both hearty and comforting. It's one of those meals that wraps you in warmth with every bite. I hope this recipe brings the same sense of joy and delicious coziness to your family as it did to mine. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments. Until next time, happy cooking.